So now in here,
Okay.
with the first thing we said, we need to get the water elements.
Okay.
Or what water power mean the kidney.
The kidneys. Okay.
So we're going to be
gonna do this
start
now.
with the exercise.
Okay.
So you can put this on.
Yeah,
now.
let me put this down. Okay.
So you rub the hand warm,
Rub the hands. Okay, here we go.
and now, and you cover the kidney. Okay. So
this.
once you cover the kidney and you smile, so you have to in touch with the kidney. You smile to the kidney,
Smile to the kidney.
and you're looking left and right. And when you, the first thing when you cover,
So
when
I
you
smile
cover
to,
the,
first of all, how do I smile to my kidneys? You taught me this on the first episode.
Yes.
Smile to your heart and things.
so the whole key, the first thing you said, if you know the location of the kidney,
yeah. Am
and
I?
you know how the kidney look like,
Okay.
and now you believe that your brain have a connection, or the brain have the nervous system go down to the kidney or not.
Okay.
If you believe that, now you connect.
Okay. So I have to believe
Yeah,
it first.
the image.
Okay. The kidney. Now, first of all, am I placing the kidneys here? Am I
Right.
doing it right?
Right.
That's right.
And yeah, and you
Okay.
cover them, you feel warm, and
Okay.
that the warmness you started to feel. Hey, I'm getting warm
Okay.
inside, and that it become.
I
we
do
say
feel
the
some
kidney.
warmth in
Right.
my hands or whatever.
So there's the kidney.
I used to
There's the
feel my
warmth.
kidneys when I was younger when I drank too much. Then I could feel my kidneys. I was like, they must be right there, but otherwise I can't. So, all right, so I do this, I put these here, and then I smile to my kidneys, right?
And you're looking left and right, and,
And I'm-
make sure the kidney warm.
Okay.
And
I
when
go
it
left.
warm, now they're pair organs.
Okay.
So you look and you feel the kidney, and now kidney is responsible for water,
Okay.
water energy.
Okay.
And now when you feel the energy of the kidney, you bring, so the pair organ is bladder.
Okay.
So
Right.
you put your hand back into here, the bladder.
Right.
When the bladder empty, we call empty organs.
Empty organs.
The kidney we call full organs.
Full organs. Okay.
Because, but empty organ can multiply.
Okay.
So if I get the kidney energy to the bladder, and now
Bladder.
I spiral,
Okay.
I spiral on my bladder,
Okay.
and now I increasing kidney power.
Okay.
So I spiral, I increasing the kidney power. Kidney also involved with soft, gentle, calm, and peace energy.
Okay.
So now you increase this energy.
Am I touching my bladder here, or am I just
No,
on the
or
outside?
you can outside. You just
Okay.
spiral, and
Okay.
eventually you feel kidney is very easy to feel, because when they're empty, when you are full, you feel hey, I need to pee,
Yeah.
and you feel it.
Okay.
But when they're empty, when the energy go in, you feel hey, I feel something in my bladder. That is the
Okay.
first part. And when you spiral, it multiply.
Okay.
Yeah. So it multiply. When it multiply, you bring this energy, and you feel this energy to the liver. So, and your mind, this is what is natural way, but you say, the water give birth to the tree.
To the tree. Okay. And the liver's the tree.
The tree.
Okay.
So when you move up to the tree, so
Okay.
you feel
I go
the.
here.
So now you think the liver have water,
I'm thinking
and
of water.
it grow.
And it grows.
It grow, and from tree to big tree, and blossoming with
Blossoming with water. Okay.
flower and bearing fruits.
Okay.
And the fruit have seed and it grow.
And I'm not touching my liver now?
No,
I'm on
you
the
just
outside.
Outside.
Outside. Okay.
So now you think the green color,
Yeah.
liver,
Okay.
and the liver started to grow.
Am I smiling
Now,
to my liver or not smiling?
You smile to the
I'm always
liver.
smiling to my liver. Okay.
So when you smile to the liver, now because in your charge, you need liver power.
Okay.
So the only one can give you is the water.
Okay.
So now liver started to grow.
Okay.
Now in your chart, the next thing you need fire.
Fire. Heart.
So you think very simple. When I chop the branches of the tree, and if I have 1 tree, 5 tree, 10 tree, 100 tree, it become a forest.
Okay.
And now I have a lot of wood.
Okay.
So you bring this wood
Yeah.
into the fire, and it burn, and the fire burning.
Okay. So now my
So
fire's
you go
burning
down.
my heart.
So
okay.
you feel a loving fire.
Okay. And I'm smiling to my heart.
The heart.
Okay.
And you loving fire, compassion fire. Now the heart burning with fire.
Okay.
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 Now because your weakness is the fire.
Yes, my weakness is the
Right.
fire.
So if you don't now if you do this way, now the water, because it go into creating cycle, they're not going to counteract cycle.
Okay.
Like water give birth to to the wood.
Wood, yeah.
And the wood
Wood to
give
the
birth
fire.
to the fire.
Okay.
Now, in the relationship,
Earth.
water
Yeah.
is the mother of the wood.
Okay.
And the wood is the mother of the fire.
Okay.
So now the fire is the grandchildren of the water.
Okay.
So if they know the relationship, they don't want to kill each other.
Okay.
So the water, oh my God.
Oh, they're
I don't
connected
know.
now through one generation.
Yes.
And then now you've connected them, and now they're not.
So now they don't want to kill.
Okay.
But if you separate them, they're going to go into cardiac cycle.
And that's why I have to do this regularly.
Right.
Is this every day I do this?
Yes, you're very quick when you go it. Now from the heart,
yeah,
now
start to my
the
heart.
small intestine is empty. When the small thing empty, you can multiply more energy. So
Okay.
you multiply love, joy, loving fire,
Okay.
compassion fire,
Okay.
joy and happiness.
Okay.
When you feel that energy, you move into the earth. So in your mind you say, the fire when it burn, cool down, it become ashes. Ashes you add in more earth, and there is the spleen, pancreas,
Okay.
and the stomach.
In the stomach. Okay.
So when you spiral spleen, pancreas,
Okay.
and you multiply in the stomach, because
Okay.
stomach is empty, you can multiply them.
Okay.
When it's full with food, you cannot.
So don't do this when I've eaten.
Yes.
Okay.
So
All right.
you spiral in the stomach,
Yeah.
and the stomach started to multiply more love, joy, happiness.
Okay.
Later on, you have every organ have emotion, so you grow more good energy.
Okay.
Now, when you finish, now you think. So the mind says, the earth. When you have bigger earth, you dig, you find metal,
Okay. Yeah.
and that is the
Metal.
lung.
The lungs are the
The
metal.
lung is the
Okay.
metal.
Okay.
So now, the lung is the metal. Lung and large intestine is one pair.
Okay. And the large
So the
intestine
lung,
is
so you smile
higher.
to
Okay.
the lung,
The lungs, right?
and you feel the lung grow, and you always in the beginning you grow them with love, joy, happiness,
Love and joy, happiness. Okay.
because that is the major energy can multiply.
Okay. Okay.
Later on, you see it multiply the love, joy, happiness, and become we call courage in the lung,
Okay.
righteousness and sincerity. That is how the energy grow and activate in the lungs.
Okay.
And give you more courage, give you more righteous feeling, give you more sincerity.
Okay.
And that's the lung power.
Okay.
So after that, now you rub the hand again, you come back
Yeah.
to the kidney again.
Back to the kidney. Okay.
So you come to the kidney.
Boom. Yeah.
Now, and you go on at least 3 rounds.